In professional kitchens, flavor, control, and efficiency must work together. This is exactly why the Unninox gas water grill was developed. Thanks to its advanced steam-assisted grilling system, it preserves the natural tenderness, juiciness, and flavor of the products. It delivers consistently high-quality grilling results for meat, fish, and vegetables alike. The body and water trays are manufactured from high-grade stainless steel for maximum durability. Each grill surface is equipped with an independent removable water tray positioned underneath. These trays collect cooking juices, grease, and crumbs during operation. This design allows easier cleaning and significantly reduces smoke formation during grilling. For safe and comfortable operation, the unit is equipped with piezo ignition and thermocouple safety protection. The cooking surface features a removable raised splash guard for more hygienic operation. The removable water tray also functions as a grease and cooking liquid collector, ensuring fast and easy cleaning. At the front, a specially stamped grease collection channel with rounded edges enables effortless cleaning. The sturdy stainless steel adjustable legs provide stable and secure placement. The Unninox gas water grill is available in two size options, 400 by 700 and 800 by 700. Designed for professionals, it brings together performance, durability, and quality. Unninox, the art of the professional kitchen.